Welcome back to Aquarium Plant Index, where every week we spotlight an aquatic plant to help you get the best out of your aquarium. This week we're diving into the elegant and distinctive Cryptocoryne Balansae, sometimes referred to as Cryptocoryne crispatula. Cryptocoryne Balansae is a stunning aquarium plant known for its long strap-like leaves and impressive size. It's a favourite among aquascapers looking to add dramatic vertical interest and texture to the background of their aquariums. So this plant features broad, lance-shaped leaves that can easily grow up to 40 centimetres or more, arching gracefully to create a natural flowing look. The foliage typically displays a vibrant green colour, sometimes with a slight bronze or reddish tint depending on the lighting availability and the nutrients. The leaves also have a unique crinkled appearance, with the edges being slightly wavy. So Cryptocoryne Balansae is native to Southeast Asia. It's primarily found in slow-moving rivers and streams of Thailand and Vietnam, and often near limestone-rich areas. These regions will naturally produce hard alkaline water due to the calcium content. And whilst most aquascapers prefer softer water for planted tanks, the beauty of Crypts, and Balansae included, is their adaptability. So given stable conditions and a bit of patience, usually around a few months, they will acclimate and begin to grow and thrive in a wide range of tank conditions and water parameters. Crypt Balansae tends to grow slowly but steadily, rewarding aquarists with impressive size and lush foliage over time. It prefers medium to high light, and it benefits greatly from CO2 supplementation, though it can survive in low-tech setups with a bit of patience. So you should plant crypts in a nutrient-rich substrate using thick aquascaping tweezers. Crypts typically have robust stems and thick root systems, so thicker tweezers provide better grip and control during planting. Its roots will eventually anchor, sending out long, healthy leaves, and because of its size, give it plenty of space to grow without crowding smaller plants. So this plant requires minimal maintenance, but benefits from occasional pruning to remove older, damaged leaves. It can be slow to recover if disturbed, so avoid excessive uprooting. To remove leaves, simply trace the leaf down to the base and firmly and quickly tug the leaf away, and it should come away from the root base quite easily. Crip Melt is a common reaction when introducing Crypt Balansae into a new tank, and it usually happens due to sudden changes in water parameters, lighting, or when transitioning from immersed to submerged growth. The plant may lose most, if not all, of its leaves, but this is typically temporary and nothing to worry about. And as long as the roots and the crown remain healthy, new submerged form leaves will grow back. To help the recovery, remove any melting leaves and maintain stable conditions, and avoid disturbing the plant. With patience, Balansae will bounce back and it will become a striking feature in your aquarium. We recommend using Seachem Advance. We find that this helps crypts bounce back a lot quicker, especially after being introduced to a new tank. And if you want to learn a little bit more about Crip Melt, we do have blogs on our website that go a little bit deeper into this issue. So a few tips for success with Crypt Balansae is to provide stable water conditions with moderate softness and a slightly acidic pH. Use root tabs and a nutrient-rich substrate for strong root development, and maintain consistent lighting, and you could consider CO2 injection for optimal growth. Avoid sudden changes in water parameters to prevent crypt melt. Cryptocoryne Balansae is an absolute showstopper for any aquarium. It offers a bold form and a rich texture that creates depth, elegance and movement. While it requires a bit more patience and care, the results are well worth it. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe so that you never miss an episode of Aquarium Plant Index. And if you have a plant that you'd like us to cover, please drop it in the comments and we will do our best. Thank you so much for watching Aquarium Plant Index, and we will see you next week.